Hello and welcome to another update video about Metahero, this metaverse cryptocurrency. Well, they don't really build a metaverse, but they have the technology to create whatever is in the real world with this sort of camera system they have and put it basically into the metaverse. So they work together, for example, with Blocktopia. We've got a partnership there, partnership with various other projects, and I can't really wait for this first crypto metaverse to go live, to carry on. I did because obviously when I talk about these metaverse cryptos, I need to know how that actually works. So I did actually buy myself the first virtual reality headset yesterday. It turned up yesterday. I'm absolutely amazed. It's unbelievable how far the technology already is. I need to now be careful that I don't get addicted to this stuff. But yeah, I can't wait for this first crypto metaverse to come out. One of them might be, Blocktopia. I don't know when that will be launched eventually, but highly interested in that first virtual world that is related to crypto. That just as a side note. Metahero, in my view, a lot of potential. You know that I talked about it twice on this channel. First time in around July, talked about this as a possible revolution. Probably a bit of ahead of the time back then, because the metaverse pump that happened in November did really confirm that. I think that we are on the way here, and well, we are obviously, the metaverse cryptos are also dropping now, including Metahero. So when I made my last video about Metahero, well, the second one really, I only made 2 videos. The reason I make this video today is because the prices are going down, so I want to talk about certain FIB levels here. Also because I was asked by a few people here and a few channel members to create a video on Metahero. And let's just take a look at what I talked about in the last video. So first of all, in the last video, I did mention that I regret that I didn't invest in July. That's one thing. But also here, we could draw this ascending trend line. Now, this ascending trend line did actually hold for a while. So when we were, in my last video, we were here at 23 cents. I did say the 1.272 extension would be the next key resistance, and yeah, we did come all the way to that. So I did say at the time, maybe whoever likes the project could go in with a smaller amount. From my point of view, again, never financial advice, but even then after that video, we still went up. I can't tell you when to sell. This is all, I can only tell you my own buy and sell order. So this was another 10% upside before we then eventually dropped. So we came all the way to that next resistance level, 1.272 extension of the FIBs, and that worked out. Again, it shows the FIBs work, right? Technical analysis can work. It can help you predict these price moves and at least give you support and resistance levels. I love to use FIBs, as you know. But we dropped from that. I also said that when I drew the trend line, showed you that at some point we might drop back to this trend line, as we so often do. And yeah, we did. We came back down after the last video to this low here, pretty much at the trend line. So that Bitcoin flash crash took us directly to that trend line. So this again was a confirmed trend line. It worked out. Then it shoot up. Obviously I didn't really do any update videos in this period of time. Now we drop below the trend line. That is quite significant. There's one more significant area of support where we pretty much are at the moment, which is that 20-day moving average here in teal that you can see on the chart here. So that's a crucial one. This 20-day moving average currently here sitting at 18.3 cents. So that's where the 20-day moving average is currently sitting. And this is also where we will, if we come down lower, I think find significant support. Currently still finding support here at this 0.5 FIB level at 18.7 cents. I've just made the decision I'm going to buy a little bit of Metahero because we might obviously go down lower, but still I want to start to dollar cost average in. It's still fairly high, I think, because overall I think also the metaverse cryptos and gaming cryptos are going to go down further, but there is never certainty in this market. I do expect in both of my key scenarios that Bitcoin is going to drop significantly still from here. But again, there is never certainty and I can't promise anything. I will not promise anything. I can only tell you what I see in the charts. But because I think this project is really interesting, I will go in with a small value. It's still a small project overall as well, even though good partnerships. But I will still start to dollar cost average in now. Then, the key support levels we've got here, 17.5 cents, 15.7 cents, 14.6 cents. it might be worth, you know, for everybody who wants to put some dollar cost average targets in, maybe buy orders. I'll probably set, if I buy now, I'll probably set the next one just above this 0.786 fib level, yeah, and then just above the 0.887 fib level. So that would be above 15.7 cents and above, well, they're pretty close together, aren't they? So, but still, you know, it's up to you. Here above 14.7 cents, and then we've got here actually where this wave started. We've got that level here at 13.5 cents. It's pretty much that wave, but we can also draw the fibs from. So first of all, go obviously to the recent high and to that significant low down there. So let's just see where we would get a valid fib, where we will get key support and resistances. So I think this is a valid fib. Yeah, if you have that like that, you can see we had support here, had resistance here, had support here at this fib level, resistance here, or support all the way here. That's on the larger scale, in a larger point of view, get these fib levels here. And on that scale, we haven't even retraced to the 0.5. Yeah, we did, but now we're even higher. Still sort of between the 0.5 and the 0.387, 0.382 fib level. Here between 17.7 cents and 19.8. That's where we are currently in this sort of range between them. Looking at that, I guess we can expect the price. I mean, the price is going to probably test the 20-day moving average here at 18.3 cents again. And if I expect further price drops, I expect key support again here at 17.7 cents, where we had support here before. Yeah, you can see that. And then certainly here at 15.5 cents and 12.5. Looking at that, I think these are better levels to place limit orders, buy limit orders. You can start dollar cost average in. We've got here above 15.5 cents. Then well distance from that, here we've got 12.5 cents. I would always set them a little bit higher than that. And then 10.7 cents. You know, we could even, in a major drop, I think, if Bitcoin really goes, I think we're going to lose the 0.5 fib level here at 17.7 cents. Then we will have massive support here because of that previous high at 16, yeah, around 16.3 cents. So that would be significant key support, right? Definitely, you get some strong support there. So a lot of support levels here along the way, really. But yeah, I think I'm going to go in just with a small portion, Metahero, because I really like the project. And I think next year they plan to install these scanners all over the world. I mean, at the moment, these are all promises only, but these scanners work. You know, businesses have used them. So I think they work with this company called Wolf Technologies or something. So these scanners do work, and they basically scan you or whatever in a product you have or thing you have and put that onto the blockchain as an NFT. Very, very innovative, very, very good. And I think a lot of companies will require the technology of that Metahero will be able to offer here. So yeah, I think I would expect further price drops. Key support here at 17.7 cents, just to summarize. Then here that previous high at 16.3 cents, then 15.5 cents, 12.5 and 10.7. I think to dollar cost average in, it's up to you if you want to set them above these fib levels. That's what I would do. I think if Bitcoin drops, like if I expect a Bitcoin drop to 50% roughly, maybe even 60%, and I do explain all of that in the Bitcoin video, where what would we see here for Metahero, just sort of in percent. Yeah, I mean, you could expect this one to go down all the way to 8 cents, to be honest, if you just go with the same. But does it really? I think we could see a price of just above 10 cents. The 0.887 fib level. I think that would be a possibility, definitely, to come down to that. If we lose that, really, but I don't think so. We're already dropping a lot, and you've got a lot of support levels along the way. But yeah, with such a Bitcoin drop, you can expect certainly probably a 12.5 cent and yeah, 10.7 cent hero. But still, I started dollar cost average in because there is no certainty. And after that drop, I do expect further price moves to the upside here. So that's just my view on Metahero. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.